Hello, beautiful ladies, and welcome to Umalog. Today, we are talking about one of the most timeless and elegant styles for natural hair, the flat twist hairstyle. Flat twists are not just easy to create, they are also super versatile and can be styled for casual days, professional looks, or even glamorous events. They offer a neat, low manipulation option that helps protect your hair and promote healthy growth. One of the best things about flat twists is how you can get creative with them. You can go for a simple two-strand flat twist all to the back for a classic look, or spice things up with crisscross patterns, side parts, and even combine them with puff buns or coily ends for an extra touch of beauty. Flat twists are gentle on your scalp and are perfect if you are transitioning to natural hair or you just want a break from heavy braids and weaves. Plus, they require very little maintenance. Just a satin scarf at night, a little bit of moisture, and you are good to go. No matter your hair length, whether short, medium, or long, flat twists are a fantastic way to showcase the natural beauty of your hair with minimal effort. So if you are looking for a cute, protective style that is stylish and easy to maintain, give flat twists a try. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Umalocks, and turn on notifications for more gorgeous natural hair ideas. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Locks, and turn on notifications for more gorgeous natural hair ideas. Thank you for watching.